Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to use the new Logitech G RS Shifter and Handbrake with the older entry-level Logitech racing wheels. So in this case, the G29, G920 and G923. Details for all the products I'll be showing today are in the description below, including purchasing links, including my exclusive discount code for the Logitech G website, which enables you to get the RS Shifter and Handbrake with a 5% discount. First up, just to mention that the new wheel hubs, QR adapter and round wheel together with the track wheel are not compatible with the entry-level Logitech racing wheels. These products are specifically for the Pro wheel. But luckily the new RS Shifter and Handbrake is compatible on both a PC and console with the entry-level wheels. Let me first show you the PC side of things, and with this you can use two RS Shifter and Handbrakes. So you can have one in a shifter mode and the other in a handbrake mode. So in terms of connecting these up, you can't connect them directly to the G29 wheelbase as it doesn't have any USB connection ports. So you'd have to connect them directly to your PC. Once you've done this in the Logitech G Hub software, you'll be able to see each shifter and handbrake separately, allowing you to easily make changes and assign them in-game. Functionality wise, I'd say it generally works pretty well. Now over to using it with a console. I've connected my G29 directly to my PS5, but on a console it doesn't work if you connect the shifter and handbrake directly to the console. In this case, the wheel is a controller and the connectivity has to come via the wheelbase. So as I've already mentioned, the wheelbase doesn't have a USB port where you'd connect the device. So in this instance, you're going to need to buy the Logitech G racing adapter. When you get the adapter, the first thing you'll need to do is connect it to your PC or Mac and update the firmware via the Logitech G Hub software. And just to note, you have to do this, otherwise it won't work. The firmware update just takes a few minutes to do. When completed, you can take it over to your racing wheel and connect it to the wheelbase using the serial cable that comes with the racing adapter. Connect one end to the shifter port on the wheelbase and the other end to the racing adapter. The racing adapter has a single USB port and you can connect one of the RS Shifter and Handbrakes directly to it, but only one device can be connected. I've tried connecting a USB hub to see if I can get two RS Shifter and Handbrakes working, but that doesn't work. The racing adapter allows you to connect the Logitech driving force shifter directly, but testing this I found that it wouldn't work, which is quite disappointing. So on a console, you can only use either the RS Shifter and Handbrake or the driving force shifter, but not both. Compatibility wise with the entry-level wheels, there are some titles that won't support the RS Shifter and Handbrake, like Assetto Corsa Competizione, Forza Horizon 3, 4 and 5, together with Forza Motorsport and Gran Turismo 7. This is because these titles don't allow you to reassign the gear shift controls on the G Series wheels, as they're locked in and there's no way to change them, which personally I think is really disappointing. You can however use them on rally titles. So if you're planning on buying it, make sure you check the game compatibility list on Logitech's website. So there you have it, you've come to the end of another video, and I hope it's helped anyone wondering how to use the older entry-level Logitech racing wheels with the new Logitech RS Shifter and Handbrake. Details are in the description below for all the products I've shown today, including purchasing links. And if you have any questions on this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.